Hey guys, Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today I wanted to speak with you about understanding the vapor honing process. When we're explaining the vapor honing process, a lot of times we're talking about using water and abrasive. The water cushions the abrasive against the surface. It's going to flow as opposed to hit by impact. That reduces your dust. It's not going to create heat. You're not going to have warping. It doesn't remove material. This is the ideal process when you're looking for an alternative to dry blast. We use abrasives. All the abrasives you can use in dry blast, we use in wet blast. We're looking at glass bead, aluminum oxide, ceramic bead, also crushed glass, silicon carbide, and many more. Determining the abrasive you need for vapor honing is going to be basically what results are you looking for. Are you looking to create a profile on the surface in order to coat? Are you looking to smooth and just get a consistent like new finish? So the type of result you're looking for is what's going to dictate what abrasive you need to use. In addition, let's talk about pressures. You're able to blast between 60 and 100 psi. Again, the height of the pressure or the amount of the pressure that you're going to apply is going to be based on the result you're looking for. If you're removing paint or powder coat, you're going to want a higher pressure, say in the 80 to 90. If you are just smoothing and creating a nice finish, you may be between, say, 70 and 80. Take a look at what pressures you're using, decide what results you're looking for, and then we can definitely help you with determining what's going to work best for your needs. Speaking of pressures, when you finish blasting a part, you get it all cleaned up, you can do what's called a burnishing effect. By turning the pressure all the way down and using just the pump pressure, then going back over your part, you're going to heighten that shine. It's going to get a little bit brighter, it's going to look a little bit better. So when blasting your parts, we recommend that you blast between, say, 3 and 6 inches away from your part. Most times we find that if you are more than 6 inches, then you are not necessarily creating an effect on the part. So stay in between that 3 and 6 inch distance from your part. Also, you want to make sure that if you're getting what's called hot spots, there may be inconsistent streaks across your part. Usually that's because you're moving too fast across the surface, you're too far away in one spot, too close in another, and then you want to make sure that you can do either circular motions or at an angle. That is one way that you can prevent the hot spots or even remove them and get a more consistent finish. Thank you so much for watching. We would love to help you with your project. Give us a call today, 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.